expertise in people. They just want their labor to be productive, and this is what I am doing.
There is one misconception in you all that we said that we are going to employ unemployed people. That doesn't mean that they are illiterate people. We are going to take the metric and intermediate and high school pass people. We will train them, and then we will take them to the small steel companies, and they can be employed.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I hope you are satisfied with the answer. Now, questions for the team C, please. Yes, Steven.
Sir, you told that the basic idea of your presentation was that bringing women to industries, right? But in rural areas, as we know in the present scenario, the people, the head of the house don't allow their women to come forward and go out of their house to work in industries. So how are you going to counter that problem?
Okay, these things we have already mentioned in the challenges portion that women generally don't come outside their home in villages. So for that, we have already mentioned you that to overcome this, we will do some awareness programs in the villages with the help of Shiksha Mitra and on Panchayat level things like Shiksha Mitra and Anganwadi workers who work under direct supervision of the government. Thank you.
Women will have the provision.
Please, one question at a time.
There is a counter question. The
No,
question
we are running out of time. Please.
My question was not
you, please.
properly answered.
Okay, so go on, please, faster.
What if the you told us about the awareness program? What if the panchayats of that village don't allow your people to work for those awareness programs? What if they don't even let you do the awareness program in their villages? How can you counter that problem and go to the women and bring them to the industry?
Yeah, good question, sir. For that, in the leadership, for the leaders, we are choosing some women, and also we are giving. For traditionally, when we are starting the company, we will take some products from their home, like the food products like papad, like pickles. We can take it from the delivery directly from home.
So please, now you can't have any.
Again, my question remains the same.
Please, I request you.
What if they don't let you interact with the women?
Any question from team B for team C?
Question for you is that you said that for horticulture you have invested 1.5 crore rupees. Horticulture is the science, technology and business involved in intensive plant cultivation for human use. For horticulture, from where you are going to get land plus technology and experts?
Now thing is that horticulture, that definition is from Wikipedia. Actually horticulture is something which you grow some plant for your use, and for that we are only cultivating flowers and herbs so that we could meet the demand for our perfume industry, and the herbs so that we could meet the demand for our different industries that we are opening. So, and the lands we would be taking on contract basis. Thank you.
Okay. So, any question from team D or team C? Sorry, we are running short of time. So please. Thank
You
you.
have so many products to operate. You have so many segments to operate. How do you think you'll manage your resources? Since you need billions of money to set up plants. So how will you do that? And you have told that you will be investing on horticulture. You need cold storage to prevent the wastage. So how will you do that? You haven't mentioned. Wait, Mike, let me complete the question. You haven't mentioned about cold storage. How will you invest money on cold storage?
Your point is, how will I use 4 crores, 5 crores that's for horticulture to use storage and all. First thing is, sir, is for scale industry, does it need high investment for their scaling? Second thing is, for horticulture, we will just raise an issue to the farmers. If you cultivate flowers in your own farm, so you will give you higher profit than you generate from rice or wheat production. Second thing is, sir, for storage issues, we will have MNC collaboration for storage, because horticulture is very hot science throughout the world, and we have very high demand of flowers throughout the world. So we will use it as an import, and that will help us in our GDPs. Coming to your points for less budget, sir. Our women company, Lijjat, was just started with 80 bucks, sir, in 1959, and it has now a turnover of $650 billion, sir. So if there are 7 women with 80 rupees can raise their standard to 650 billions, why not we can raise our standard with 10 crore rupees?
Thank you so much, team C. Now, any questions for team B? Yes, team B.
You said that you will be storing the crops that will be grown. You should know that the government is already facing the problems of godowns, and the number of godowns they are having is very less. And if you are thinking of constructing your own godowns, the investment will be very huge. And if you will invest in that, you will not be having money to even transport that and distribute to the other parts of the country. So what are you planning about that? Can you please explain? Actually, the initial investment of our money to our godowns
we will implement storages for our storing our crops. Now, when we are investing 6 crore rupees in crop production, that means that will have lesser production.